Bajaj Finance, since we are discussing the NBFCs, I wanted to just get a view on that also, Mayuresh, from you. Already it's the best performing stock of 2025 with the kind of moves that have come in. And overnight, again, there has been management changes. Rajeev Jain elevated to the position of vice chairman. How do you think things will progress from here on? There are a lot of brokerage houses who believe that further the stock could be moving up to even 10,000 odd levels. Would you still be a buyer after the incredible move that we've seen over the last few days?
So ratings, rankings, and institutional holding, the parameters we see at CalSLIP are pointing out to positiveness for Bajaj Finance, and therefore I think it is top notch. Again, I think it's a leadership stock within the NBFC space. The leadership continuity will reflect in terms of the price action for the stock itself, and they've been doing a lot of things from a technology perspective as well. I think a lot of innovations are probably happening over the last few quarters and years, where there will be a lot of leverage that technology will now play in terms of how loan growth will take place, costs probably keeping in check because of all these efforts that have been undertaken by them. And therefore, I think the expectations in terms of cross-selling that we're probably looking at, moderation of costs, improvement and uptick in margins, and therefore return ratios along with profitability can be on the cards over the next few quarters and years. So again, I think leadership stock matching all the elements that we're probably seeing at anybody holding Bajaj Finance should continue.
Anybody holding Bajaj Finance should continue as well. What about you, Mitesh? If I have to ask you between Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance, how would you go forward?
I think I'll go with Bajaj Finance because I'm of the view that sooner than later stock will hit the 5-digit mark, and the stock is really into momentum. So I'll definitely go with the view of Mayuresh Bhai. Here, I think technically stock has formed its recent bottom at around 8,500, and since then stock is heading for a higher bottom formation. We are of the view that sooner than later stock will target 9,800 to 10,000 levels. So yes, between these two, my choice is Bajaj Finance.
Bajaj Finance seems to be the consensus choice right there between the two large players right now, about 4.8% higher, 9,100 levels that can be seen on this one at this point in time.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.